Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase and Coinbase Wallet. First, let's understand Coinbase itself. It's a leading platform for buying, selling, and managing various cryptocurrencies. Setting up an account is straightforward, requiring basic personal information and identity verification. Once verified, you can link your bank account or debit card to fund your purchases. This makes it simple to get started with digital assets, whether you're buying your first Bitcoin or expanding your portfolio. Once your Coinbase account is set up, buying cryptocurrency is simple. Navigate to the buy/sell section, choose your desired asset, and enter the amount. You can purchase over 200 different cryptocurrencies. Selling is just as easy. Select the crypto you wish to sell and confirm the transaction. Funds from sales can be withdrawn directly to your linked bank account, typically within a few business days, offering a seamless experience for managing your digital assets. Now, let's explore Coinbase Wallet, which is distinct from the Coinbase exchange. This is a self-custody wallet, meaning you hold the private keys to your digital assets. It allows you to store a vast array of cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, or NFT, across multiple blockchain networks. The wallet provides a secure way to interact with decentralized applications, or dApps, and participate in the broader Web3 ecosystem, giving you complete control over your digital wealth. Securing your Coinbase wallet is paramount. Always protect your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. This phrase is your ultimate backup. With your wallet, you can explore the exciting world of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and interact with various dApps. You can also participate in staking to potentially earn rewards on your holdings. For more information on the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals, be sure to check the link in the description below. Enjoy exploring the decentralized web.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.